Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Uma uzazi nje ukuthi unesifo sokujajana unento ukuthi abantu mabesho bese nawe usuba nombono and umbono wakho ukuthi lo suke exoxa aphathe kabi noma efunda athi yavele ngicela ukuthi nje umuve le video kuyona yakho. Uma uzazi nje ukuthi wena umuntu ojajanayo lana we listen, you don't judge. So guys, it's story time. Ngifuna ukunixoxela ukuthi ngafound yabona abafana guys abafana abasifuni. So ngifuna ukunixoxela ukuthi ngafound out kanjani ukuthi usibarweni lo ngangithi uzoba usibari lo ngizoba usibarweni ngathola kanjani ukuthi ubhuti ula engangitshelile after 6 months ngingazi ngazothola. So okay, fine, I am in love with this bro, siyathandana kumnandi. So mangiqala ngithandana guy ngiyambuza ukuthi mina ke guys I'm that person nje njalo mangizoqala uthandana I'm gonna ask your intentions ngami. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ngoba uthi uyangithanda ngoba uthi siyathandana uplaneni uhloseni. So abafana they will always say like positive things, nice things, into vele esifuna ukuzizwa. So naye kwakungangisurprise kodwa kuyena ile okay siyafika lapha athi ngiyathanda ukujumpa. So like yeah, uguy ke afike ke mayefika ke hayi ke siqale ke relationship nje yethu sekushelene yabo ngifuna ukunisheshisela sona. Sekushelene kwavunywana ke ngize ngichaza ukuthi manje wangithatha isikhathi singakanani like sesishelene sesiyajola ke manje. Uguy obviously kuma questions lawo ama intentions ukuthi ama intentions wakho ngamathini and stuff like that obviously uzongena lokuthi hayi womfethu I see ukuthi you are a prominent guy. Okay guys, like I do not do small boys ngosami cha nje ngize ngikhona and I've got my own reasons ukuthi why ngingaze ngakwenza lokho. Guys ngitheni mawuzazi ukuthi nesifo sokujajana ndlula mina nginama reasons wami ukuthi why ngingaze ngathandana nobani ongasebenzi bakithi nginama reasons wami. So ngicela ukuthi singajajani and nosebenzayo cha guys cha futhi singayini lapho ngoba isuke manje la engimele iye khona bese siya kwenye indawo kanti angifuni lokho. Okay fine, and then uguy ke bese yabo ngiyambuza ngithi mina okay so kule stage yokusona obviously ufanele ukuthi ngabe usunayo noma vele unayo yabo. So ngiyambuza ukuthi mina unayo yini unkosikazi yabo. Angibuka ubhuti ngithi no asikidongo sokuthi uqamba amanga siyaqala le relationship vele ungitshela yonke into nami ngizazi ukuthi ngifaka entweni kanjani at least unginike i-option yabo ukuthi ngichoose ukuthi ngiyaqhubeka nawe noma ngiyahoxa noma sibone ukuthi okay since uthi ukhona mayekhona sizosebenza kanjani mina nawe ukuze into yethu izoba right yabo. Hathi okay no angenayo nje mina unkosikazi umuntu bekade khona bekade kuyi girlfriend but ngoba ungibona ukuthi ngisashela ukusho khona ukuthi yabo angikho happy asho kanje athi ukusho khona ukuthi angikho happy. I am still looking but ukhona umuntu okhona but like it's complicated. So ile ukuthi if ever ngithola umunye vele ngiyamnyeka and akusekho njalo besihlala sonke bona nje achaza izinto kanjalo but ukhombisa ukuthi i-relationship ayisekho. Sekunako lokho ukuthi phela kade nginawe sinengane sothuke so yabo sekunaleyo nto le ku-relationship yabo. Hayi okay fine bese ke ubro yabangichazela bese yabuza ukuthi hayi wena ke hayi nami ngimtshele isimo sami ukuthi hayi kimkhamba kanje hayi kube grandi bese ubro hayi siqhubeke nge-relationship because akukho ukuzivimbayo. Angibuze kubro nkosi yami ukuthi ingane unazo nje cha nkosi yami anginangishikati anginalutho nje anginako ukuthi mina anginasisa anginabhuti anginamama anginababa anginalutho nje nginogogo wami kuphela. Yabona makuthiwa nginento engi-owner it's my grandmother okunye nje I do not have yimina yabo nama documents wami. Hayi bese siyayihlekela kubro kanje yabo bese siyayihlekela kubro mayihleka kubro ayiqhubekeke phela indaba ukuthi okay vele iqhubekeke indaba ukuthi ayivele mina no bro ke siyaqhubeka abayikho into esivimbayo. Okay ngimbuze ke vele ke ukuthi hayi abantwana bona bawungakhike phela ngoba yabona bakhona ke vele abantwana hayi abale ukuthi abantwana bawungakhi abale ukuthi hayi abantwana bakhe bangaki uqala unangakho wesi2 nangakho wesi3 nangakho wesi4 nangakho wesi5 nangakho wesi6 nangakho wesi7 nangakho wesi8 nangakho ogcina ulangakhe yabo abali then say hayi okay akunankinga so kubona lapho abalile uhlala nabawungaki obviously when relationship yethu kumele sazane nami ngi-understand okay uhlala nabawungaki yabo asho ukuthi hayi ngithi mina uyangibona vele ngihlezi ngingekho nje lakhe endaweni eyi1 so angihlali nazo zonke ingane zami lezinye zihlala zodwa nginomuzi la so bahlala khona ngoba lo usengaka yabo uyakhona ukuthi yabo and then laba bahlala Hey guys, that's judging. Listen, you don't judge. Hi, okay. Okay. And then this thing is me now, okay. Well, nama ngimbuka vele uPro shoot I chap ethu ngikuthanda ngeinkinga zakho uza nazo baba yabo. Thanda no Pro. Akube mnandi ke nje nani vele ngibona Nkosi yami yabo. Happy sengiyaba isidudla like yabo nje ngaba happy. How ngidlulekile ngithi ngisho ngathi ngifuna uxoxolo after 6 months ngithole kanjani. Khambe inyanga vele siyathandana nje and akukho sign akukho lutho akukhombisi phela umjolo vele kwesinye isikhathi uzomfonela ungamtholize ngama excuse but akusile ukuthi sekuyinkinga usinawo soqala abo vele ukusona khona vele ama red flag mose ngihleli uyabo ukuthi oh lapha yakangibhayizise kodwa ngokuthi unekhono ke la yabo enze kanjalo bro how I okay so ngelanga lele ngizombamba ngalo ke ubro guys ngoba mina nginothanda azi mina umuntu mangimthanda guys mina ngifila ngazathi ngenza kakhulu mangithanda umuntu like ngenza kakhulu like ile ukuthi wenza kakhulu I think angisengenza kakhulu yabo sekukhombisa vele ukuthi we are in this together like ngiyakuthanda yabo ngimnikele ukuthi ngiyakuthanda nanoma yini boza yami mina nje ngizoba khona for wena yabo hi okay fine sesisileyo relationship uthi vele sekukhona esiyiphusha nje futhi nakhona serious how ubruke ngelinye ilanga ke ngimfonele mangimfonela ngamtholi how okay ngeminyeke and then bese sengiyamfonela yabo the day vele ngangisola nje ukuthi lo ngangizwe emahlo abakuthiwe into mayizoyenzeka umuntu akhusumazi uyayizwa la emahlombe ngisho ngithi vele ngithabana nje namhlanje lo unamanga ungenza islim ngifone ngevideo call like ngisafone ngesphone call straight fone ngevideo call I drop guys wayeqala nqa drop ifone yami ngemfonela umane mengafuni ukukhuluma nama wayeke ring that day why drop like he dropped my phone call how my drop guy hi guys kwavele wathi ngazizwa ngikhala ngaphakathi andubangi ngikhale ngaphandle ngazizwa ngikhala ngaphakathi I was like hey boo is he dropping my call ngimzame futhi again phone ithi voicemail hey angazi pheni ngangade ngizwa leya angisakhona ke manje ngomthola I was like, okay, cool. Ngidelete status sami, ngikhiphe profile pic yami, ngiphume ku-WhatsApp ngihlale. Ngangamblocker nje ngavele ngacima idatha lami ngadisconnecta kuma Wi-Fi, ngakhipha profile pic yami nje ngathula yabo, ngathula. How following day ekseni phela ngisizofona umuntu dololo akafoni. Hayibo. During the day ngicimile phela mina ifoni nje ukuthi angitext dololo umuntu akafoni. Hayibo. Kuthi kushaya wo4 sesiyoqeda linye ilanga futhi dololo umuntu akafoni. Guys ngimfonela izolo. Mangimfonela yaring ngithi qale yakuring oqala wangayibamba and then ngahlala ngana time mhlawumbe ubusy ngoba phela vele ngiyamazi umuntu ohlezi ebusy ngayifona kwesi2 mase ngifona kwesi2 iya drop yabo khona lokuthi iringile why dropper like I dropiwe ifoni yami like lapha engabe ngacala khona ukuthi okay u drop ifoni yami why dropper but maqeda ku dropper mase ngithi ngiyamfonela isingifaka voicemail funa kisicinyiwe ke that's when ke nami sengithi okay lo yenzani nami ngiyakhona ukuyenza ngadelete i-profile engina manje sengiyenza ngoba ngikwatile ngadelete i-profile pic yami ngacima i-data zami kuma status ngakhipha yonke into nje ukuthi no kuthiwa ngitext ayitsho ukuthi ngimblockile lapha ngimblockanga ngifuna ukubona ama-message akhe ngathula how guy wangasho lutho the following day futhi wangasho lutho the day ngenza ngiparagraph engaka ngavula WhatsApp mangithi ngivula WhatsApp akaze zazame nanokuzama ukuthi abuye kumina guys azosho ukuthi hey ngibonile uzamile ukungifonela bekenzeka ukuthi lutho hayi ngabuye sesingeparagraph engaka hey ngamtshela qede ngasenda isibindi sami sokuthi ngimgagule ngegama. Mina mangisathanda like indoda mangiyibisi ngegama, angiyibisi nje ngegama. It's either sithandwa sami, soka lami, babe, angiyibisi nje ngegama. That day ngangimshaya amagama akhe, ngaqeda ngamsendela imessage ngithi same time ngimala vele wafona same time. Wathi sewenze njani manje mami? Guys, ngavele ngamelta.
I'm a married man azosibulala, guys, because wow, what is the meaning of this? This lady right here decided to share her story on how she dated a married man and find out in a very weird way, okay? She said actually they dated for a very long time, but the guy did open up when they started dating. Uguti, he does have someone, but it's not a serious thing. It's still complicated. He's actually still looking for someone. Okay, if he gets someone, that is good for him, which means he's going to drop this other lady. Which, this one, I want young ladies out there to listen to this. Do not listen to a man telling you that there's another lady, but this lady, she's crazy, she's this and this. I'm still looking for my soulmate out there. He is lying to you. Trust me when I say this. He is lying to you. As long as he is saying there is another woman, or just leave that nigga alone because he is lying. Unfortunately for this one, maybe she was still young, or I don't know what was happening. She believed him and stayed for like I don't know how many months, but she stayed until she found out. And the way she found out, the guy just muted her. He was no longer responding, no longer calling, no longer messaging, like nothing. He just went mute, which I suspect that the woman found out about her. Yes, she did find out. That's why he was quiet, because he was not going to be quiet. He was not going to just keep quiet on her if this other lady doesn't know anything about her. You understand me? So let's just be wise women. Let's be vigilant. Like, let's always be ready for such things, because men will always tell you what you want to hear, and be ready to put yourself first. Be ready to put yourself first and know that you are not special than the other lady. The very same way he is treating the other lady, he will do it to you.